Welcome back, humans. In last week's episode, we upgraded my lighting. Today, I would like to talk about the second piece that completes the setup, the tripod. This bad boy was $19.99, but it really changed how I work. My last tripod had me stuck. Limited angles, unstable, and constantly fighting with it. Your setup should work for you, not against you. Now, with this tripod, I've got stability and versatility. I can raise it to eye level for my desk setup, lower it onto my table by the window, or even set it up on my coffee table for product shots. Let me show you how this all works together. At my desk, I can lock in the perfect eye level shot. Adjusting the angle is smooth and the stability solid. No more slipping or readjusting mid-shoot. Here, I drop the tripod down. This is perfect for product reviews, same lighting, stable framing, just a different perspective. Now for product shots, I can set it low on my coffee table. This lets me shoot products like my microphone with a stable, professional look. The lights and the tripod work together to bring consistency to every angle. So, this $70 combo, the lights and the tripod, has changed my workflow. I can set up faster, shoot different angles, and trust my setup to work for me. If you're building your creator space, don't underestimate how much a stable, versatile tripod can change the game. What's one piece of your setup that could use an upgrade? Let me know in the comments. And stay tuned, next episode, I'll take this setup outside to test the real versatility. Be free, be free, be free, human.